Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Today's video is a follow-up video on growing philodendron from cutting in water as well as in soil. So a couple of months back, I grew this variety of philodendron which is broken heart leaf. I grew its cutting in water as well as in soil and I have shared the video as well. In case you missed it, don't worry, I'll give you a quick recap on how we did it. So I will show you the results after 3 months, but before that, let me give you a quick recap on how to take cuttings and how to grow them in water and soil. Let's get started. So we took the cutting from the mother plant and made multiple small cuttings out of it, like money plants. However, you can grow them as it is, but to get a bushier plant, I would recommend taking multiple cuttings like we do for money plants, right? Just make sure there is at least one node with each leaf. Just leaf cutting without any node won't grow. So this is how we have to take the cuttings with nodes and leaves. And we will grow these cuttings in water so that they can develop roots and slowly they'll start growing new shoots as well. Now you can grow these cuttings as it is in water. You can simply put it in any jar or any glass filled with water. They will develop roots over the period of time. But to make it look bushy and look more beautiful, I would recommend tying it with some rubber band. That is totally optional. And then put it in water. And make sure you change the water every 5 to 7 days to avoid mosquito breeding into it. So this is how it will look after putting it in water, but make sure you don't keep the cutting or this pot in full sunlight. Keep it somewhere where it can get bright light but not direct sunlight. Now similarly we will take cuttings for growing in pot as well. So here as you can see I have taken few cuttings with multiple nodes or joints as well. That means a cutting with 2 to 3 nodes from where new shoots will grow and the plant will grow bushier. Now it's time to grow these cuttings in pot. So here I have taken, I think it's 8-inch pot, and for growing media I am choosing coco peat and compost only. This is the coco peat, and for compost you can take cow dung manure or vermicompost, anything. Mix it well, prepare a nice growing media. You can add soil also if you wish, but here I am not choosing soil. Now simply insert the cuttings at the center and put all the cuttings around so that it looks bushy. Now water it well and keep the pot in shade, and make sure to retain the moisture into the potting mix always for plants or the cuttings better growth. And now let me show you the results after 3 months. So here are the plants that I prepared or I replicated in water and soil, right? And this is the mother plant. So let me show you this one first, which is growing wonderfully in water. It has got really good root system. Right? It has grown really beautifully and the growth is really healthy. You can easily make out. And now at this stage, they are ready to be transferred into the soil. If you want to shift it to soil, you want to repot it, they are ready now because they have developed really good root system. And it's not necessary that you transfer all these cuttings into one pot only. If you wish, you can just take 3-4 cuttings and transfer to one pot, and rest all you can transfer to the other pot. And now I'll show you the one which is growing beautifully in the pot in soil. Here it is. And remember, for the growing media, we took coco peat and compost only. We didn't mix soil into it, but if you want, you can do that. You can mix soil as well. But make sure the potting mix or the growing media is well drained, because it doesn't like to sit into soggy soil or with blocked drainage holes. You can see it is growing beautifully with new growth. Almost each cutting has grown one or two new leaves, right? And they look very beautiful. It's a very good air purifier indoor plant. So make sure you don't put the this plant in full sunlight, otherwise its leaves will get burnt. So it's a very good tabletop plant, I would say, or tabletop decor if you want to put it in drawing room, or in your TV hall, even in bedroom. It's a air purifier plant and looks beautiful because of its gorgeous leaf pattern. I hope you find today's video helpful, and now you can easily grow them from cutting this way, right? In water as well as in soil. This is a bit expensive plant, so I won't recommend you buying from nursery. Instead, you can get a cutting from your friends and neighborhood and grow them. Share your experience with me if you grow them from cutting, and that's all for today. See you soon. Bye bye.